In this tutorial, I will show how to do zoom in and zoom out in Premiere Pro. First, bring your clip, file, import. Okay, my clip is here. So bring your clip in the timeline. Now my clip is in the timeline now. Click on your clip and go to the editing tab. Under the editing tab, go to effect controls and open your motion drop down. Here you can see the position, scales and other properties. So for the zoom in and zoom out, we are only using the scale and positions properties only. So you can see the in front of scale and position there is a clock icons. Click on this clock icons at this point which created the keyframes. So move your clip and at this point I want to zoom in and then focus on the logo. So you have to create another keyframe at this point. So here you cannot click it again because it's already clicked in. So go over here and make another keyframe by clicking these two circles. As soon as you click on this tool, you can see that the keyframe is created here at this point. Now you have to scale it and make a zoom in. So you can scale by 300 and then double click here and move your position and bring the logo on the screen. Now it is zoomed in and the logo is focused. So move your clip again to the forward, go forward, and okay, at this point I have to zoom out. So make another keyframe at that point. Click here for position. This one is for scale. Okay, now at this point I have to zoom out, but when you do the same way like changing this 100% and bring the position, changing the position, it may not perfectly bring to the original position. So what you do is simply click here the reset parameters which bring it in the original position. So do the reset parameter at that point and reset parameter at that point is bring in the original positions. Now go in. Now restart your video. Zoom in and zoom out. Okay, restart again. You can see at this point it's zooming in, at that point it's zoom out. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time. Bye.